Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? What we have here is a 30-inch embossed tin Royal Crown Cola sign. Really in great shape. Again, this comes from the San Jose collection that we bought up there. And again, everything this guy had was in primo condition and rare in terms of the signs that he decided to buy and collect. So if you were into Royal Crown or just a great vintage sign that's embossed, well, then this is for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.